Cached enables you to create fantastic membership style sites full of expert content created by experts on YouTube without you needing to create any content yourself. The campaign and site that you're able to create is formed of 2 pages. So looking at this example, you'll see this is essentially the home page, the login, the kind of squeeze page where people can view it and decide whether they want to sign up. And once they've signed up, they can log in and they will get to a content page that looks on the first instance very similar, but as we scroll down we can see that we have lots of different content. So in the first instance we've got a massive call to action that pulls down and promotes one product with a specific video. Then we scroll down and we've got a button that recommends that product again. We've then got a side panel that's pulled out via this button where we can promote other products, resources, tools, social media, whatever we feel is appropriate for this membership page. We've got banner ads in 2 places. And then we've got the content created instantly from experts on YouTube. So you can see here, we've got a variety of different videos that are talking about a lot of really exciting topics. These sites can be created instantly in a matter of minutes just by pressing a few buttons. And in this page that you're watching, which is positioned in the tutorials support page, you're going to find a wide range of videos that show you exactly what you need to know to get up and running. You're going to find all of the resources that you need to get your pages set up correctly, the offers that you need to sign up for. You're also going to find a variety of bonus videos that show you strategies of how to get traffic. We've got bonus content over on YouTube, along with a variety of selected resources and recommendations that we think will be great for you. So good luck with Cached, and we'll see you in these videos.